Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to check the computer properties. So, first of all, what is the computer properties? So, the computer properties is the configuration of your Windows computer. So, it shows your RAM, the hard drive, and also the processor and every details. So, now let's have a look at the implementation. So, these are the steps we are going to follow for the implementation part. Now, let's get started. So here we are back at my desktop. So here is this PC, and I will have to right click on this PC and click on properties, and this is the Windows configuration system. This is the computer properties. It is showing the processor of your computer, the installed memory or the installed RAM, and the system type, the 64-bit operating system, and also other like the manufacturer information and all the other things, and the Windows activation and the product ID and everything else. So this is the computer properties. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have learned how to check the computer properties. So thank you for watching.